1, 2, 3, 4. This is the verse. Then we get to the pre-chorus. Almost the same. Then we go to the chorus. So, what's up guys, I'm Jaco, I give guitar lessons and I will be your guitar teacher for today. This is a beginner lesson, but it's got some nice tricks that intermediate players usually don't know about. Like the way I played the G/B chord, most players don't know. They just usually play it like this, which this one has a nice deeper feel, very nice chord. Okay, so for the verse, we're gonna. I've got a PDF for all the chord shapes, so I'm not gonna go through the individual chord shapes here. You can get that in the PDF. I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna play each individual part. But just for quick reference, those are the chords I use in the chorus: C, D, E minor, and B minor, G/B. So those are the chorus chords. And then for the verse, I use the C here. The same shape for the D, just 2 frets higher, and then E minor, 7th fret, and then 10th fret I play G, or you could play G like this, as noted on the PDF. Okay, or you could play G/B. Oh, I do play G/B though. Famous song. Anyway, let's do the pre-chorus. The way I play the pre-chorus. Let's go to the chords and lyrics. Oh, the picking pattern. Let's do that first. So if I'm on the C chord, the picking pattern is root and 2nd string. You get the idea. And then the strumming for the chorus is this: down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 down. You get the idea. Okay, and then we're gonna go to the. We're going to walk through the song quickly. So for the intro, we've got this. You could also change that around to be picking like this. How I live for the moments where I'm still in your presence. Speak to me now. You are my attention. I will linger and listen. I can't miss a thing. Lord, I know my heart wants more of you. My heart. You get the idea. Pretty nice. And then chorus, we just go to the chords. Okay. Anyway, have a nice day, guys. See you soon. Bye.